The bench. Hey guys, can I sit there? No, can't sit there. Well, why can't I sit there? Because you haven't got cool battle armor like People like that are so annoying, aren't they? Hey guys, please can I sit there? No, you can't. There's no space. What about that space though? Meanie? Go away. You can't sit here because you haven't got cool battle armor like us. So, ha! Wanna bet? Okay, you can sit here with us because you have battle armor. Hey guys, can I sit with you? No, no girls allowed.